Yeah, yeah.
Are you sleepy? Yes, they do.
Where's the pool? Mom, after this, can I go to the toilet after this?
Hello.
Let me see.
Good. The lobby first on the right. Right side. Shuts here.
Oop,
Let's go.
I think you drop a. Oh. This is a little bit spooky.
Papa. On the left, yes. Go.
Here.
Yeah. Go here. Take your time.
These stones are a little bit big. So beautiful here.
So beautiful. Hello. Setelah 1 hour, we arrive di mana ini Han namanya? Area Suara. Last minute booking and we're waiting. You like it?
Just a little soup. It tastes like lime a little bit. Here, it's still hot.
Because I'm on period, I cannot go
Cheers, Mom.
Look, Papa. Share.
Like orange juice. Yeah? Looking nice. I need a straw.
No, no need straw. Be careful. Good?
Papa. Papa start. Aku mau habisin sekali, Papa.
Where's the spoon? Play with me.
Sure.
This is not too far.
Pelan.
I want to make it shorter.
Oh, what is this?
Mama.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty.
It's so cool up here.
Let's go far.
Flower hoppy. Flower hoppy. Flower and hoppy.
Ini mau ke hotel dulu, beli, ambil.
Flower hoppy.
Enggak.
Flower.
Pinjam aja apa? Jarum dan
Yeah, it's still morning because it's
Sayang, are you sleepy? What are you doing to Papa?
I see your face every time I close my eyes. I write your name on every paper that I write, and I don't know I'll ever meet you again. I keep on looking at the door for you to come in.
Kita mampir di sini sebenarnya tidak rencana ya, karena iseng. Sebenarnya kita mau ke Indomaret atau Alfamaret, terus tiba-tiba di GPS itu ada ini tempat ini. Namanya apa sih? Section 9 Ubud. So here we go. And we ordered fried banana, and then pisang gorengnya datang dengan ice cream, which is it's a new thing to me. We just got something from Coco.
Can I have my cookie?
Sure.
Yay!
And then I'm going to
I
show you.
only want this clothes because I still want to
One. Kita nggak lupa beli apa ini namanya? Banana. My husband Mr. Peanut.
My husband Mr. Peanut.
And then some Ritz.
Tommy.
Excuse me.
Another
Ritz.
It's 4.
Excuse me.
Mama. Ooh.
And for my daughter, she loves yogurt.
Yes, it's 16. I want this yogurt first.
And then here for Mama and Papa.
It's soda.
It's done. We are ready to enjoy our place. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Need to charge. Bye.
Need to shorts. Need to shorts.
For the last couple of months, we haven't sit down and talking about everything in the nights because of the work. So this time, we decided to grab some beers. This is my first time for the whole year. We put our daughter with the bed, and we are glad that we did this because it used to be our mandatory activities every night. But because of all our activities, we haven't did this for a while, and it just feels right for us. Late night snack, have some drinks, not to be drunk, and just have a good conversation as a married couple, as an adult, as a parents, and late night snack and a mini date. Perfect. Good morning. Sudah hampir 2 bulan di Bali, but we haven't go to Ubud yet. Kenapa ya? Ya nggak tahu juga ya kenapa, karena nggak ada waktu yang tepat aja. So we decided to come to Ubud because of a mission too. Ada salah satu cafe yang sudah aku follow page-nya itu semenjak, kalau nggak salah semenjak tahun 2024. I know, there are a lot of cafes in Ubud. But this cafe though jadi salah satu misi kita untuk ke Ubud juga ya. Selain memang kami belum ke Ubud semenjak tinggal di Bali, so here we are, booked a last minute accommodation, and I pulled everything I saved to explore Ubud meskipun banyak yang tidak kita kunjungi ya. Dan juga tentu saja kita nggak nyewa mobil, tapi kita pakai motor aja. So langsung digas, brum brum. And oh my dear Lord, your creation always amaze me. I'm thankful for the sunrise and everything in between. And we arrived at my favorite cafe. Ini pertama kali kita datang ke sini, of course, but I haven't feels attached with the cafe beside our cafe, Munamo Cafe and Biku. But this one, I have no idea. I'm willing to spend my time here, spend money here, and come here every day. It's small, It smells good and quiet. Dan ada banyak buku-buku yang bisa kita baca. Anak aku bisa baca buku. It feels really cozy and also really calm, I can say.
Mama, I caught it! Yay!
Come on.